Congratulations guys, Indian stock market has now become the 7th largest stock market with a market cap of $2.1 trillion, and from its last year's ranking, which was number 9, it has jumped 2 places to number 7. So what exactly is the reason why this is happening? Hi everyone, my name is Yatin Ranade, and in today's video we're going to check out 5 reasons why Indian stock markets are getting more popular every day. Point number 1, the Indian economy is on the rise. Because of government reforms and the size and shape of our economy, overall there is a lot of change happening. We are the fastest growing economy and we are also the 6th largest economy in the world. The combination of two simply means that the businesses are going to thrive in our country, and when businesses thrive in a country, the stock markets already start roaring, because stock market is nothing but a place where you buy these businesses. Point number 2, the rise of technology in India. Because of the technology that is now available in India, most people have access to internet, and thanks to that, finding about companies is very easy. At the same time, all the exchanges and the system to buy and sell stocks is also very easy. You can buy stocks in a matter of seconds because all stock market transactions are now internet based. So people can transact safely and securely and in a super fast way from the stock markets. Now, finding information about companies is also super easy because they are available free of cost on companies' websites or all these popular blogs and channels out there. At the same time, the corporates are also drawing in more profits thanks to technology because their processes are getting faster, easier and stronger. Point number 3, gold and real estate are not giving as expected returns. For last few years, gold has been more or less in a sideways direction, and real estate is actually in a downward direction where returns are not becoming that attractive. So the other place where people look for greater returns is stock markets, and they are doing this by either investing in mutual funds heavily or directly investing in equities where they can get excellent returns for the kind of money they are investing. That's why stock market has become popular even with gold and real estate investors of previous era. Point number 4, the young population of India. India's major population is really young, and this young generation is open to businesses, investing and entrepreneurship in general. They are more open to these new ideas of not having a fixed income and jobs, and they're slowly moving towards more of entrepreneurship and maybe slightly higher risk-taking mindset as well. Well, they know they want growth more than the safety of their source of income, and that's why these people are going to start running their more businesses. They'll be taking the businesses public. We'll have more and more businesses coming in India as well, and in the same line there'll be more and more people open to invest in these businesses, and that is where stock markets come into picture, and that's why the young population is also driven towards the stock market. Point number 5, the rising levels of disposable income in India. Now, if you remember, in previous times our fathers or grandfathers did not have excess money, and they would always insist on saving first and only spending on the things that you need. But in today's times that is not the case. Indians today have a lot of excess cash available to them, and because of that they are not only spending the money on things that they need, they are also spending money on things what they want. And right after that, once these two needs are met, ultimately people also put some part of their surplus money into the stock markets, and this money going into the stock markets is making them rise higher and more popular as well. At the same time, the money that is being spent, the excess money that is being spent by Indians is going into products and services, and they are run by nobody else but the corporates. And because of the higher levels of spending, the corporates are also profiting and their stocks are also rising in the stock markets. So that's it guys, these are the 5 points because of which stock markets are getting really popular in India. Now, tell us in the comments below exactly what point has made you come into the markets, and if you have already not started investing, go to capitalize-pune.com where we have some excellent resources for you to learn and invest in the stock markets. At the same time, let us also make this channel popular just like the stock markets. Please subscribe, share and like this video. Share it with your friends who would also like to know about the markets, and make sure you click on the bell icon so that you are alerted every time we release a video. I'll see you next time.